Not a palace, of course, but life is livable.
Come on, Daddy, the house is simply wonderful. Even these golden walls are amazing.
But I like the previous ice palace. Why move all the time?
Oh, the same again.
You know, honey, that we don't grow older. The icy bed spell cannot be overcome. The servants of the ice palace already got suspicious. But I don't care. All my friends remain there. I want to go back. Richie, wait, come back here. We haven't finished the talk.
No worries, honey. Everything will be fine.
It becomes more difficult to move, and Richie's heart will soon turn into an icicle.
Into an icicle? Knock on wood, knock on wood. Speed out 3 times and turn left.
Stop. Don't even think about it. We can't let children turn into icy statues. But we got nothing but hope that it won't happen.
Is bad spell so real? We need to figure something out right now. Hey, wait, you forgot about me.
A bit more, nearly over. Come on.
How did you behave in parents' presence?
I lost because of you.
You'd better think how to unspell us.
But everyone knows it's impossible. Once the spell is put, it will last forever.
You are so naughty. But there should be some way out. Think.
You can't burst with thinking. Better pack the backpack for tomorrow day at school.
Hey, let it go. I hold it.
I can't. My hand got glued to it.
1, 2, pull it.
What was this? Don't know, sis, but my hands got frozen.
Here, take the mittens. Warm up.
I hope it's not forever.
No panic. We'll figure something out. Wow, so many guys in school.
And they're all staring at some poster.
Hello, are you here? My name is Veronica.
Hello, I'm Richie.
Richie, you can leave your mittens in the wardrobe. You know, Veronique,
it's new fashion for now. Even Timothy wears them.
Oh, really? Cool. And why is everyone staring at the poster? Because it's Halloween. Have you chosen the costumes? Honestly, we haven't even thought about it. Yahoo!
Whoa, and who is she?
Oh boy, it's Rainbow, the most popular girlie at school.
Wow, Rainbow.
Ow! I got the aim. Yep, and this is your boyfriend.
Hey, you, it's boorishly to stare at girls this way. Boorishly, my granny used this word.
Oh, Vereen, time to go to class.
So where has that smart cookie come from? Just like we agreed, no one is ready for the lesson. No one gave us homework.
But what if we get D's?
To everyone in class? No way. Good morning, class. Let's start with checking your homework. Angelina Borisovna, but you didn't give us any homework for today.
Are you serious, Tola?
Then come to the blackboard, come on. But Angelina Borisovna, you really didn't give any homework. The whole class is not ready.
Speak for yourself, please.
Tola, so what? Should I call your mom again? Give me your homework diary. You get a D. No way, I forgot it. Then you get it in the grade book. Rainbow, come to the blackboard. Are you not ready as well?
Whew, calm down. No worries.
Rainy, don't let me down. Well, divide 5 by 2.
It's not a simple question.
Yeah, as no one gave us homework. Keep silent, Tola.
2.5.
It's 2.5.
What? Oh, I got it. 2.5.
Good for you. Then divide 7 into 2.
Oh, it's quite difficult.
3.5. 3.5. Don't try too much, you smart cookie.
Oh, I got it. 3.5.
Excellent. Rainbow, give me your diary and you get an A for your homework. What? No, she's just lucky.
Thank you, new one.
Richie, my name is Richie. Well, Richie, I'll show you. Attention, class, the new topic, fractions.
So what, have you found the Halloween costume for yourself? Veronique, it's been only 45 minutes and nothing changed. Then we need to see them right now. Let's go to your place, okay?
Yes, my mom and dad will be glad to see my new friends.
Girls, and can I join you too, as I don't have a costume too?
Of course, and I'll help you carry your backpack.
Oh, you're so cute.
Rainbow, I asked you out to the cinema today.
Oh, I'm sorry, Tola, but I can't go to Halloween without a costume.
And my mom baked a chocolate cake. Come on. Well, Richie, I'll show you what is what.
Mom, do we have any beautiful fabrics?
Of course, here, the whole suitcase of them.
It's interesting which look becomes me most of all.
You can be a great snow queen.
You really think so? But your heart is so cold.
but not yours.
Well, let's start to sew costumes.
Oh, it's a miracle!
Wow, it looks simply amazing!
Rainbow, it's meant for you, so put it on.
I can't believe my eyes! I've never been so beautiful before! Thank you, Richie!
Hehe, always welcome.
Of course, it was Richie who made you this dress.
Oh, those men. And maybe you can go to ball with me?
I'd love to, but only if you promise not to wear your mittens.
Oh no, it's impossible.
Yummy cake with tea is ready. I'll go to the table. Oh, just in time, as I haven't eaten for half an hour. I simply adore sweets. Wow, such a cool party. Girls, have you seen Richie? He was somewhere here. I'm going to look for him.
Rainbow, you're such a beauty.
Don't even try, Tolia. I came here with someone.
Oh, really? So where is your boyfriend?
Oh, no.
No, it can't be true.
What are you doing here? Rainbow is waiting for you.
I can't take off my mittens. My hands make anything I touch frozen.
Here, take my necklace. It will save you for a couple of hours.
Thank you, sis. You simply saved me.
Come on, go. Your rainbow has been waiting for you so long.
The participants in the contest for the Queen and the Queen of the Halloween, please come on stage.
So what, Rainbow, are we going? Whew, I thought you wouldn't come back.
The magic dance starts. Music!
Oh, your hands are so cold!
What? What do you mean by cold? Let's dance the support.
I'm a Tyran.
Rainbow, you got so heavy. Uh-oh. Hey, what have you done to her? I didn't want to. I didn't do it on purpose.
She's cold like ice. What am I supposed to do?
I don't even know, but the necklace didn't help.
Think.
If not your fault, she would be the queen of the ball, and I would be kissing her.
Exactly, Richie. A kiss may melt the ice.
Yep, let's try.
What was that?
Sorry, I froze you suddenly, and then defroze you. Suddenly too.
I always knew that your heart is hot.
Wow! And the prize for the winners is on stage now. It's interesting who is inside this ball of new cutie family. Open it on the zipper. In the clue, the girl left this nice yellow fire and a bath full of bubbles. And it says, relaxing in the hot tub. It means relaxing in jacuzzi. Wow, does the girl inside it adore water instead of snow? Even hot water. Let's see who she is. Let's see the collector's list. Of course, I really want to get a rare girl, slime baby, or this cool angel, and I wouldn't refuse this boy as he's the only one in this series. Now open all packets, one after another. It's boots! Oh no, it's real ice skates! Look guys, they're so bright pink. And do you like to slide on ice skates? I simply adore it! Let's see what surprise is hidden here. It's a belt bag, and it's one of my favorite accessories. And this cool accessory I saw once only at Rainbow Raver. Yes, and it's very comfortable to wear. Let's open the next snow surprise. It's a bottle! So beautiful! Just look, it's all covered with stars. So beautiful, they are pink or even peach color. And up here, it's shimmer on it. By the way, it's so soft to the touch. Is it a cold or a hot drink inside it? Cocoa! The next packet, and what is inside it? Okay, it's a stand for our capsule. This way, and this thing here. It's very comfortable to keep those from dust. And I have 2 more surprises left. Let's see what is here. Wow, such a beautiful suit. Just look at this violet skirt. It really goes well with my nail enamel color. By the way, it's covered with shimmer. And it's of blue color. And up here, it's a down jacket, also covered with shimmer. And the same stars is on the bottle here. Well guys, let's see who she is. Open the packet. Wow, look at her wonderful, amazing hair. My eyes, it's transparent and the shimmer is inside. It's of pink color. It shines and glitters so nicely. By the way, it's also star-shaped, just like the print on the jacket and the bottle. Just look at her gorgeous blue eyeshadow. And her suit, it's silver in cosmos style. And something tells me that it can change color. We'll check it out later. And now let's put on her clothes. And up here, the gorgeous jumper and jacket. And the magic ice skates down here. And the bag. By the way, it can be worn on the shoulder and not on the waistline. And here's her whole look. By the way, this girl's name is Figure 8. And she's from Chill Out Club. So what? You want to see how I change color? Of course! Ready? Plunge the girl into cold water. Such beautiful pink stripes appear on her suit. And pink stars on the silver middle here. By the way, pink edges appear on her pants. And such beautiful wristbands on her hands. And the eyebrows on her face also turn pink. Guys, did you like the family new QT that I created? Which character did you like most? Put a like to this video and leave your comment about which family I should create next. Put a like and subscribe to our channel.